Stay tuned to see how I created my reading crate. Hey guys, so first I'm going to go ahead and use that really pretty acrylic paint color, that dusty rose that I told you guys at the beginning of the year I will be reusing over and over in my projects because I just love the tonality of this color. And so I painted every other slat on both sides of the wooden crate, and then I'm going to go ahead and cover each of the side panels in that really pretty color. Now, of course, you could do 2 or 3 coats, but I felt one coat was good enough and it had really good coverage, so I didn't feel that a second coat was necessary, but it's completely up to you. So while my crate is drying, I'm going to go ahead and go into my Cricut app and start typing out the words that I want to go on my crate. So of course I typed out reading crate in these really cute fonts, and take a book and get your read on. And then I let the Cricut do its magic, going ahead and putting that really pretty metallic vinyl on the cutting mat because I felt like it would be a really pretty contrast. But then the funny thing is, I actually didn't even end up adding the words on the slats that I painted that dusty rose color. Here you see me weeding, which takes the longest. And then I am using my transfer tape to transfer my words onto my reading crate. Now, do better than I did just there because that was definitely not level. It was leaning a little bit. So take your time. I was so excited to finish that I just kind of rushed this part. But take your time and customize to your liking. I wanted this reading crate to stand, so I added hardware so that I could add wooden legs. And here is the finished reading crate. Look at the legs. Oh, the wood matches perfectly. Here are all my books that I added to the reading crate. Take a book real easily. And this just helped clear off a lot of space on my desk, so I was so excited to complete this DIY. I am getting my read on more this year, and this is a perfect addition. So I just wanted to insert this real quick and show you guys some of the books that are going to go in my reading crate. This is the book that I just most recently finished, Bamboozled by Jesus by Yvonne Orji, How God Tricked Me into the Life of My Dreams. I will say this was a very good book. So if you have not read it, please go get it. This is actually the first book that I highlighted things. Normally I don't like to highlight in my books, but there was just so many gems that she dropped in this book that I had to take out my highlighter. Also I have Shan Boodrum's book, Shan Booty on Instagram. I have Issa's Misadventures of Awkward Black Girl, book 1 and 2 of Lovey Ajayi Jones, I'm Judging You, and Professional Troublemaker, the Fear Fighter Manual. Fun fact, I actually attended her online book tour, and she did, the one that I joined was the one with Gabrielle Union. It was really insightful and had really good gems dropped in there as well. And of course, I have Amanda Seales' Small Doses, Lily Singh's first book, How to Be a Boss. And then the last book I'm going to highlight is my Bob's Burger book. I love Bob's Burgers, and this was actually a birthday gift that I got last year. Comes with all the recipes. And I actually made the Baby You Can Drive My Car burger for my birthday last year. Well, my Zoom birthday anyways. Anywho, this is just a few of the books that I am putting in my book, my reading crate, Lord, y'all, and some authors that you guys should definitely check out. All right. Thanks for joining me for another video this week. Drop me a comment down below and let me know what books you are reading this year. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with a friend, and hit the bell for notifications. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right. Love you guys. Bye.